For reasons beyond any sane person's comprehension, my wife, Emily, and I have decided to drive our Ford F-150 pickup truck from our home in Elgin, Texas to Small Point, Maine. We need to leave a day early on Monday, July 8th because of Hurricane Beryl, which is supposed to destroy the Astrodome, the State House in Austin, the UT football team, and everything in between.
Yep.
We filled up the back of the truck with a bunch of stuff you can't take on an airplane because it's either too heavy or too explosive or too stinky. You know, it's stuff we can use in Maine. Thought we were full, but Emily always packs bedding into any vehicle over which she has any control. You never know when she'll need to pull over and take a nap under an overpass or in a storm drain. One major issue with our trip is that Maggie, our dog, can't come with us. It took us a while to get her out of the driver's seat, in fact. But we found a new playmate for her. Maggie used to play like this with our grandson, Connor, though he didn't laugh as much as Elmo and had to have a lot more stitches. Connor survived all this, however, and is now teaching me how to put together these videos.
Low battery.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care of the homestead.
Goodbye now.
Craig. Bye, Craig. Craig, would you like a pup cup? Craig, we'll bring you back a pup cup from Maine.
Does the internet want to see my karate moves?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We missed that. Okay, try that again. I missed it. The mirror's in the way. See if you can kick Craig there. I think Craig's a black belt and you're like a yellow belt. All right, we'll see you later.
Peace out.
Bye.
That is a lot. The first highway on our trip, kind of. Watch the road. I'm just getting the beautiful countryside, the beautiful farms of Elgin.
Driving north on 95 from Elgin, far from the traffic and treacheries of I-35, there are lots of beautiful 20 to 200 acre farms. In the distance, about 2 miles from here, you can barely see the rising of the future of the area, the new $17 billion Samsung Advanced Computer Chip Production Plant in Taylor. Since construction started last year, 40 to 50 local farms have been put up for sale. The whole area will look a lot different very soon. We have a hard time driving by Buc-ee's. There's not many outside of Texas, but we'll be looking for them. Between sliced brisket sandwiches and the cleanest bathrooms on the planet, how can you go wrong?
Try not to hit the neighbor's car. They would appreciate that.
Barefoot girl sitting on the hood of a Dodge, drinking warm beer.
It's a little handheld camera. Connor wants us to do a video stuff. Then we get up there. When we get up there, he's gonna edit it, put it on. He's got it on a YouTube channel. We'll find out. I don't know.